Here we solve the numerical, that is the related to chapter AC circuit. Numerical, that is the given data is a coil of pure inductance is 318 millihenry is connected in series with a pure resistance of 75 ohm. The voltage across the resistor is 150 volt and the frequency of power supply is 50 hertz. Calculate the voltage of power supply and phase angle. Here is the inductor of the inductance that is given 318 millihenry. Resistor R that is given the 75 ohm. The voltage across the resistor that is given the 150 volt. Frequency of the power supply that is the 50 hertz. Calculate the voltage, power supply and phase angle. So we find the voltage of power supply by using the formula of the Ohm law, that is equal to V is equal to IR. Here we use the resistance, that is the combined resistance of the inductor and the resistance, that is denoted by Z. V is equal to I Z. So here we find the Z, then we find the V. We can find the Z of this circuit, that is equal to R square plus XL square. Here we find the value of the R, but we don't know the value of the XL. We can find the value of the XL, that is we know that XL is equal to omega L, and we know that omega that is equal to 2 pi F L, pi that is equal to 3.1416 F, that is the 50, and L that is given the 318 into 10 to the power minus 3. So here the value of the XL is equal to 9.99 ohm. This is the value of the inductive reactance, put it in this formula. So here it is becomes Z is equal to R that is given 75 square plus XL that we find at 9.9 whole square. By using the calculator, we find the formula of the Z that is equal to 124.92 ohm. That is the impedance. Now we find the voltage. Voltage as formula V is equal to I Z. Here we don't know the value of the I. We find the value of the I by using the formula of the Ohm law, that is equal to V is equal to IR, and I is equal to V over R. Here is I that is equal to V that is given. Here is the voltage across the power supplies, that is the 150. Resistor R that is given the 75. So 150 over 75 that is equal to 2 ampere. Put this value in this equation, that is the 2, and Z that is the 124.92. So here we find the voltage that is equal to 250 volt. Okay, now we find the phase angle by using the formula phi is equal to tan inverse. In case of the resistor and inductor, we use the phase angle formula, that is equal to inductive reactance over resistor R. Inductive reactance formula XL that is equal to 9.9 over R that is given 75. So here is the phase angle, it becomes equal to 53.1 degree. So here in the case of the inductor, current is always current lag the voltage. So this is the find the phase angle.